Jumatatu itkorio public holiday eriyo emoye gabo gosumurubiro bose mekemete gokorekana sinsemo au aimese ya Kenya nigo omu county commissioner we county ya Kisii Anjere aberega kwene kiabuna emerobere mekiranu yaberege kubekwa bosyo bwo muyegoyo okwana nabariki ime umucho Kisii Anjere nigatebire buno muyego monene me county ya Kisii nigo orachie kora wabenenere asebo igaene kirebuna omurobere gosomuyegoyo ni orachi gokorekana ase sub county chionsi korawa naba county commissioner.
Following that gazettement, we have been able to put in place a multi-agency committee that has been tasked with preparing and ensuring that we mobilize resources, seedlings, put logistics in place, ensure that we have enough holes for planting the trees on Monday. So far, we have been able to mobilize 110,000 seedlings, which we have projected on purpose to distribute as follows. 20,000 seedlings will be planted at Nasaria Hills. We'll do 20,000. 10,000 will be done at Nyangwate Forest, that's in South Mugirango. The deputy county commissioners in the other 10 sub-counties are going to be issued with 10,000 seedlings each. The celebration in Gusii will be presided over by Honorable Eliud Owalo, our CS Communication and ICT, and the celebration commences at 9 a.m. sharp in the morning. I want to appeal to all the residents of Gusii to turn up in large numbers and demonstrate their commitment towards working with the government in an effort to address the challenge of climate change. Anybody who has goodwill for this country in terms of addressing matters of climate change, they are welcome. We want to encourage members of the public to target to plant a minimum of 2 trees. The county government is on board, playing a very critical role. We have Kenya Forest Services, we have the Director of Environment, we have NEMA, we have every other key stakeholder in this country, the CBOs, the NGOs. They have come in very handy, and we want to work this journey.